बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम वाला है। Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Technology Meets Goals. In today's video, we will learn how to convert image formats easily according to required formats like JPG, PNG, JPEG, WEBP, BMP, and more. First, open your browser and search for an online image converter. You can use tools like FreeConvert, Convertio, I Love IMG, Cloud Convert. Kindly watch guideline video step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay connected with Technology Meets Goals for more helpful tech tutorials.